Farnlight introduces their new egg collection, where designers can choose from various options to create and elevate any space with this versatile design. Available in multi-shade sizes, 10 inches, 16 inches, or 20 inches. Available in various colors and finishes. You have 32 options to choose from and can also specify different finishes and/or colors for both the inside and outside of the shade. 2 mounting styles are available, cord or stem. These are also customizable finishes and lengths. Some fast facts. The egg collection is available in 4 color temperatures, 27, 30, 35, and 4000. We also have 5 lumen packages, 850 to 150, 2000, 3000, and 4000 lumens. An integral driver is located in the canopy, can either be 0 to 10 or triac dimming. We can also offer a lens that can be at the bottom of the shade, which could be domed or flat. Farnlight is located in Titusville, Florida. All of their products are made right here in the US of A. And last but not least, if you need a sample or any more information, you know where to find us. Thank you for your time. Bye.